Hello students, this is Nisha here from Sri Kolhapuri School of Doll Making. Some of you have asked me what I will be teaching in the handmade doll making workshop. I thought a small video will help you understand what exactly you will learn in the handmade dolls body parts making workshop. So the first thing is you will learn how to make handmade doll body parts, legs, hands and the fabric. So in this, I will be teaching you the concepts of making different sizes of body parts. The step one will be how to identify the measurement for different sizes to make a 9-inch doll, 12-inch doll, 16-inch doll, etc. And the secrets of identifying the measurements. So if you have minimum tailoring skills, you will be able to make beautiful handmade dolls. This requires practice. So that is something that you need to keep in mind. And one more thing is, if you have a sewing machine at home, it will be helpful if you are planning to make and sell the dolls. If you are making it for your own use, then handmade. If you are good in putting strong hand stitches, then it is enough. So that is the first thing that you have to keep in mind. So I will be teaching you the sizes, different sizes, how to identify the measurement for making different sizes of dolls. And the second one is how to cut and how to put stitches. And the third step is how to do the right stuffing. Some of you use the incorrect stuffing methods, which will end up in damaging the dolls. So I am going to teach you the secret things about stuffing, doing the right stuffing for the dolls. And the next thing that you will learn is how to make different postures. Sitting doll, standing doll, sitting on a tripod like Mahalakshmi or any other god who is sitting down position. How to give different hand positions. Then how to give different leg positions. So this will also, these are all secret things which I am going to share with you in the workshop. And how to attach extra hands. So for example, if you want to make a goddess Durga with 4 hands or 8 hands, I am going to teach you the secret tips on how to attach the additional hands. And in the end, you will also learn how to attach the extra heads. If you are planning to make Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva or whatever it is with extra heads. So these are all the basic things and as I said, this requires practice, and anybody with minimum knowledge on the tailoring or the sewing skills will be able to make beautiful body parts. So this is what you will learn, and you will also learn how to fix the head. Right, this is a finished doll. So this is a standing position. You will also, I will be teaching you how to make it in sitting position, sitting down position, sleeping position, dance type positions, etc. So, and then decoration part I will not be covering, because this itself will be more than 1.5 hours, and it will be a personal connect. Minimum 25 people is what I am planning. I will not be able to accommodate more than 25 people. So if you are interested in learning the traditional doll making, you can register immediately. So if you delay the next class, I am not sure. I will be planning only in the month of March. So you will learn the concept of body making, and after that you can decorate in any style. Fine. So this is the Radha Krishna doll, and I have also launched a do-it-yourself kit. So if you wish to buy this do-it-yourself kit, I will be giving you all the materials. I will be taking a separate video on the list of items that are available in the Radha Krishna making kit. If you are interested, you can take that kit. It is optional. So that after the class, you can practice with this kit decoration. So you will feel like you have completed the concept of learning the handmade dolls. Fine. So it is a paid workshop. Please register only for 25 people, and the number is 7305667838. You all know my number. After registering, please send me a screenshot of the payment. I will see you in the workshop. And once you register, and I will add you to the WhatsApp group, and I will be giving additional instructions about the classes also. So once you paid, you ensure that you are added in the WhatsApp group. Fine. Nisha here signing off, and I will see you on February 8th through Zoom for this specific handmade doll making class. Bye bye now.